Welcome to Journey to the Last Frontier. Today we're at the International Boat Show, Miami Beach, and we're going to take a look at some of the highlights that we have here. Behind me is the Robalo, we have Contenders, we have all kinds of amazing boats here today for fishing, boating, pleasure, etc. So let's get to the action and to the boats. Definitely this would be on my wish list. There's beautiful cobia. Let's walk around, see some other boats around here. Yeah. Definitely quite a bit of fishing machines. And on this side over here, we definitely have inflatables. Definitely, I'm in the market for a small inflatable for the backcountry in the Everglades. And we can come down this aisle here, still more inflatables on this side. Italian made. A lot of people here today on a Friday, a President's Day weekend. Some really nice inflatable boats for lakes. Let's take a look at some Robalo boats. These are absolutely gorgeous, amazing fishing machines. I've had the pleasure of fishing on several of these brands here at the Miami Beach Boat Show. Definitely these can handle just about any type of situation that one would want to be fishing in or boating in. Absolutely beautiful boats to fit almost any budget, especially if you have a lot of money. Then budget really is not an issue. Beautiful fishing machines here. As you can see, we got Boston Whaler, Upperhead, and we're gonna take a break here and probably grab some tacos.